What's up, guys? So I'm here at a Target. I'm a little late. Let's see if we have any luck. Let's take a gamble and see what we find. Alright guys, I'll catch you in a bit. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's pretty empty. Looks like all the good ones have been picked out. Looks like all the 5-packs are also picked out. Not much here. Here we have some of the flying customs. See, they have the 13 Copo Camaro. They have this cool 73 Pontiac Firebird. This one's really cool. Here's this nice custom Beetle. Pretty cool. Let's see what they have over here. It's another 73 Pontiac Firebird. I already have these, so I'm just gonna leave them behind for somebody else. And it looks like they got some of these. I already have them, so I'm gonna leave them behind. I really love this 18 Dodge Challenger Sport Demon. It's really cool. It's got the slick tires, nice fat meats on the back. Really cool. Let's see. They have this nice 1991 GMC Cyclone, and that's pretty much it. Looks like all the other ones have been taken. They have this really nice 87 Buick Regal GMC. This one is really cool. I really dig this car. I already have a couple of them though. There's no need for me to take more. Definitely taking this truck though. Let's see here. They have this Wonder Woman jet, pretty cool. They have this DC Wonder Woman cheetah car. Let's see. This goes over here. Cool, a lot of Wonder Woman. They have a Mario Kart. Pretty cool. I don't collect these. Just gonna leave these here. They have some of these Disney cars. Pretty cool. Let's see. Looks like there's some hidden cars somewhere, but it's okay. I already have them. I don't need them, so I'm just gonna leave them behind for somebody else. Pretty cool. Let's put this one over here where it belongs. So let's see if there's anything else hidden. Don't be surprised, sometimes you find some hidden cars here. So here we have some of these Minecraft. I know my son will love these. He's a big Minecraft freak, so really cool. Here we have the custom Corvette Stingray Coupe. I already showed you guys this one in a video. This one's really cool, guys. I highly recommend it. They have this really cool Mazda 787B. Very cool. Very nice car, guys. And looks like they have another Corvette. And they have another Mazda. And here we have the Volkswagen Baja Bug. I don't know. There's something about this one that doesn't really convince me, so I don't think I'm going to pick that one up. Here we have some Ninja Turtle monster trucks. This is Leonardo. We have Krang. We have another Leonardo over here. Michelangelo. Another Leonardo. Another Krang. Krang. And Leonardo. Looks like all the other ones have been taken. Oh, this one's really cool. I'm really digging this this vet, guys. This one is really cool. I think I'm gonna take this one. This one is really nice, guys. So this one's coming home with me. For those others here. Let's see, what else do they have? Let's see here. We have that delivery truck over here, which I'm not gonna take. We have this nice truck over here. Oh no, it's not a truck. It's the Snake Bite. Pretty cool. Not taking that one. definitely taking these two though. Have some monster trucks, really cool. More monster trucks. Cool stuff. Check these out, guys. I have the larger scale ones. I really like the decal on these. Really cool. Check this one out, guys. Check this one out, guys. The decal on some of these is really, really cool. Check out this taxi one. Check out this tiger shark. And we have this one here. The torque terror. Pretty cool. Alright guys, let's put these back. It's too bad I don't collect this scale. It's way too big. It takes way too much real estate, but yeah, I like this one. And this one is really, really cool. I love the decal on that one. Let's see, what else do they have? More Monster Jam on the smaller scale. I have the Boom City Racers. Kind of looks like a large rocket launcher. You put the car in there and you launch it. Let's see, what do we have over here? Looks like they stocked up on these Matchbox. I'm still looking for the what do you call it, for the Bugatti. Let's see here. Here's a truck. There's this one here. This one's cool. See what they have over here. Yeah, it looks like they already took it. It's really popular. Very hard to find. Very cool. Really cool. Let's see what else do we have. Not much. No problem. We have this nice little 5-pack here. This one I already picked up. Check out that Doom buggy in yellow. It's really cool. Really love that rabbit. I picked this one up already. Pretty cool. And by the way, guys, these micro machines are on sale for $3.99. As you can see, you want to come and pick them up at your local Targets. It's a steal of a deal if you guys collect them. I personally don't collect them, but just wanted to share that with you guys. So more micro machines, cool stuff. Yeah, these are way too full. Okay, well, just gonna leave that there. Let's see, here we have some of these NASCAR cars, and of course the Chase is not going to be there. It's okay. Here we have some of these bugs from Jada Toys. Here we have some Greenlight, Charlie's Angels, Brady Bunch. We have this taxi here. We have Christine. We have this Mod Squad 1970 Plymouth GTX. Here we have some of these King Crunch. Yep, looks like it's all the same truck, with the exception they have this blue one, and the only other one that they have is this red one. Okay, and this is pretty much it. Here we have the Lycan Hypersport 1, 2, and then they have the 2017 Ford GT over there. For Fast and Furious, we have the McLaren 720. And here we have the 1973 Chevy Camaro. Here we have some Tech Deck. Don't care for that stuff, I'm just sharing with you guys. So yeah, I'm definitely taking this one. Taking this one. This one's really cool. And taking this one right here. Alright guys, let's see. Here we have the Harley Davidson truck. Looks like people are leaving these behind. They were here last time I came. Let's see, here's another Harley Davidson, different color. And back here, pretty much the same, as you can see. Again, it's too bad that these are too large of a scale, otherwise I would pick it up. Here we have this very cool 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby. I know my buddy Mustang Hunter would love to get his hands on this. This thing is awesome. It's got the nice Spectra Flame red or cherry red. Really love the racing stripes. This one is really cool. Yep, here we have another Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. Now we have it in black. Yeah, these two are pretty cool. Again, it's too bad that the scale is too large. Over here we have this really cool Lamborghini Murcielago LP640. Check this out, guys. This is really cool. This thing is freaking awesome, man. Alright, that is pretty much it for today, guys. Gonna call it a day. I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys take care. God bless.